A pickup is known for many significant features such as the four-wheel option making it an off-road roadster. Nothing would suppress a 4x4 on all-weather roads. Without a doubt, it can do what a lowrider sports car cannot do on a rough road. The other features include its capability to do all sorts of towing jobs, its durability. Not to forget the open space it has to carry all sorts of loads. Well, the general norm is that everything usually comes with a price, and purchasing any car is not an exception. 2004 GMC Canyon. This durable truck was built for endurance and resilience, as this can be proved by its tough body kit. It can maneuver any condition and conquer any challenge before it. Well, a couple of years back the pickup make was out of reach for most potential buyers since its price was too high, and one would think that it was actually exaggerated, but that is not the case here. This truck would give you value for your money and can survive from one generation to another. However, when the model was released back in 2004, only a few people could afford it due to its overpriced buying price. It was however seen to serve so well in harsh conditions, whether in a desert or on a muddy road in several countries, so well without any disappointment. However fierce it looks, the pickup model was being sold almost double the price as compared to what the second-hand make is being sold currently. Fast forward to the present time and you can find a second-hand 2004 GMC Canyon listed in most classified websites like Car Gurus, eBay and AutoTrader for an average price of $5,000. Certainly a good bargain. Ford Super Duty F250 King Ranch. Just as the name given to this truck, the car fits the occasion and location. This is a domestic machine that comes with a lot of features such as its V8 turbocharged engine. It would easily make this truck carry a lot of load and tow even a movable camping house. It comes in a variety of colors, leaving you spoiled for choice for what to choose. Its powerful engine would only be charged by diesel fuel. Let the current buying price not deceive you. This car was so expensive to the extent that one would think that it was manufactured for the selected few. However, the 2000 make can now be purchased at a price of as low as $10,000. 2007 Ram 1500 Crew Cab. The guys who designed this make were so considerate enough to come up with two designs, both the light-duty and the heavy-duty pickup trucks. The Ram was launched with an upscale market price, and its value relates to the specific kind of hard work it is categorically made for. This would give you a sensible kind of pride if you would make a choice and go for this four-wheeler which has the guts to beat all odds. You can't take away the kind of horsepower this truck can produce, but what else would you expect for a V8 engine? When you talk about matters relating to the purchase price, then maybe you would gain more interest in a Ram. Currently, a 2007 model would cost you around $9,000 on AutoTrader or Car Gurus, while a 2018 model goes at an estimated retail price of $53,000 for the limited edition. The basic explanation for the price of the latest model is the extra features, its engine, and a sleek body design, since we are now at an advanced technological stage. 2004 Toyota Tundra. The Toyota Tundra is one of the few Toyota pickups that have done well in the Western market. The Tundra wouldn't let you down since it has been built to withstand any kind of terrain, and not forget that it is still stable even at high speeds. This was not a cheap make since it was fitted with a combination of concepts to serve the customer for a period of more than 2 decades. It is not easy for a Toyota model competing with the likes of Ford in the same market, but the Tundra has been rated exceptionally well for its performance in the US. Not surprisingly, a new pickup of this model would cost you nothing less than $35,000. However, you can get yourself a used 2004 Toyota Tundra for as low as $7,000 on Cars for Sale. Com and Car Gurus. 2001 Chevrolet Silverado. Well, there are for some of you who would only think of the famous muscle car, Camaro, when Chevy is the topic of discussion. The Chevrolet wasn't left behind, and at the inception of this manufacture, they were so prepared to race against all their rivals. A Silverado comes with a single cab option and a double cab, which would be more suitable as a family car. This muscular 4x4 is loved by most since it's a whole package. It's like a moving toolbox, since the kind of work this truck can do is incredible. The retail price for the 2018 pickup would cost you around $32,000. This would obviously be the reason why several units of this make have been produced in the US. Making a price comparison between the 2001 model and now, there is no need to worry if this is the kind of car you would love to own without spending a lot. GMC Sierra. Just look closer at this machine. It looks like a monster, doesn't it? It is bold enough to make it efficient in facing any challenge brought before it by the terrain. Not to forget that it is considered the cousin of the Chevrolet Silverado. In addition, this four-wheel truck is heavy-duty, that is so durable that one could mistake it for one of those military vehicles. The GMC comes with a 6-speed manual gearbox, all for the purpose of matching up with the powerful engine this truck has. Any big truck enthusiast would smile knowing he or she would purchase this big truck for around $7,000 on Car Guru's or AutoTrader listing. Something that used to cost at least $40,000 more than a decade ago. 2000 Nissan Frontier Crew Cab. This is one of the cheapest among the many other pickup trucks mentioned in this list. At around $4,000, you could get yourself a 2000 model on AutoTrader that you know could serve you well. Its 5-seater space would also be convenient if this car was to be used as a family car. So if you think that the GMC or the Chevy type is expensive for you but you do not want to dig deeper into your pockets, why not settle for the 2000 Nissan Frontier Crew Cab? According to most drivers on Car Gurus who own the 2000 Nissan Frontier Crew Cab, it does not consume a lot of fuel and most of them have been using that truck since it came out. Want to go camping? The Nissan Frontier Crew Cab is the right pickup for you. Pun intended. 2005 Toyota Tacoma. The purchase rate of this car has quite been escalating over the past decade, especially in the US. Arguably, this is due to the kind of performance this make can pull on the road. This roadster is like the superhero breed of the Toyota family. Put it on a dare to do anything and it will not disappoint. Talk of ranching, towing any load or even battling muddy road. It doesn't matter whether you are a car expert or not, you could easily give a positive judgment of this car from its outward appearance. Not to forget that according to Cars.com, most people who have owned a 2005 Toyota Tacoma say that it requires minimal repair, hence you won't spend all your time in the garage. For just $17,000, you can get yourself a decent 2005 Toyota Tacoma on AutoTrader. 2009 Honda Ridgeline Pickup. For a car that is ranked second by the US News and World Report in the compact pickup category, you know the Honda Ridgeline Pickup is a solid pickup. The concept by the Honda company to make lifestyle pickup trucks was unexpected in the Western market. In other words, this is the type of pickup that can fit almost every occasion and not just carry the heavy load in the ranch. It goes without saying that the manufacturer didn't sweat it to familiarize with the target market. Probably the best thing about the Honda Ridgeline Pickup is the fuel economy, which will save you more money. This would be the perfect car for a farmer who wants to carry their farm produce to any preferred destination since it has a very high loading area. According to the listings provided on Car Gurus and AutoTrader, you can own the 2009 model of this machine with just $9,000. If you enjoyed this video, kindly press the like button. Also, don't forget to subscribe with notifications on, so that you don't miss out on videos like this. Thank you for watching.